Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Steam tools and games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Library tab. Go ahead and click on it to access your full collection of games and tools. Now, still in the upper left area, you'll notice a drop-down menu that says Games. Click on it to reveal additional filtering options. This menu allows you to sort through different types of content in your library, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. From the drop-down options that appear, locate and check the box beside Tools. This filters your library to show only the tools you have installed, separating them from your regular games. This is particularly useful when you need to manage or update specific tools without scrolling through your entire game collection. Once you've filtered for tools, browse through the list to find the specific tool you want to update. Steam is designed to handle updates automatically, so in most cases, if an update is available for any of your tools, Steam will begin downloading it in the background without requiring any action from you. This automatic system ensures your tools stay current with the latest features and bug fixes. However, if you notice that a tool isn't updating automatically or you want to manually verify its files, there's a simple fix. Although I don't have any tools in my Steam library to demonstrate visually, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Right-click on the tool that's giving you trouble. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens a new window with detailed settings and information about that specific tool. In the Properties window, look at the left sidebar where you'll see various tabs. Click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to file management options and lets you verify the integrity of the tool's installation. Finally, click the button that says Verify Integrity of Tool Files. This command tells Steam to scan all the tool's files and compare them against the original versions. If any files are corrupted, missing, or outdated, Steam will automatically re-download and replace them. This process can take a few moments depending on the size of the tool, so just let it run until completion. And that's it. You've now ensured your Steam tools are properly updated and functioning correctly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.